Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Pool Cue Grip is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components for any serious pool player, as it directly impacts your control, comfort, and consistency with every shot you take. A superior grip can transform your game from good to great, allowing for a smoother stroke, better spin control, and reduced hand fatigue during long matches, ultimately leading to more confidence and better performance at the table. Number 5. Lake of Fire 3-in-1 Snooker Pool Cue Repair Tool. Introducing the Lake of Fire 3-in-1 Snooker Pool Cue Repair Tool. This versatile accessory is designed to maintain your cue's tip for optimal performance. It features a flat sander to keep the tip even, an arc sander for a consistent strike, and a leather needle to loosen the tip for better chalk adhesion. Crafted from high-quality brushed stainless steel, this tool is built to last and easy to handle. The convenient design ensures quick adjustments. Perfectly sized for your pocket at only 2.6 inches long, it works with cue tips ranging from 9mm to 14mm. Take it anywhere your game takes you. Surprise the billiard lover in your life with this essential accessory. It's a thoughtful gift for any game room, bar, or tournament. We believe in enhancing your playing experience. This tool helps ensure every shot is as accurate and enjoyable as possible. What we like. This tool offers 3 essential functions in one compact device: trimming, polishing, and loosening your cue tip. If you want to maintain your cue tip's performance and powder absorption on the go, this is the perfect accessory. It's ideal for players who need quick adjustments between games or during a casual outing. What people say. The grip is comfortable and provides a good feel for the cue. It's easy to install and stays in place during play. The material is durable and shows no signs of wear after several uses. Number 4. Billiards Pool Cue Tip Shaper Kit. Introducing the ultimate 10-in-1 pool cue tip shaper, designed to meet all your needs for replacing billiard cue heads. It's your best choice for a professional pool cue shaper. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, this replacement kit is resistant to falls and collisions. The blades and grinding surface are made of durable 304 stainless steel for long-lasting use. Even if you're new to replacing cue tips, this tool is easy to use. With 10 different functions and a helpful manual, you can easily replace your pool cue tips. Measuring just 3 by 1.1 by 1.1 inches and weighing only 1.5 ounces, it easily fits in your pocket. Replace your cue tips anytime, anywhere, a great helper for any billiard enthusiast. Made with lighter and stronger materials, it won't weigh down your pocket. Enjoy its high-quality texture, a trustworthy tool for your time at the billiard table. This kit comes complete with a shaper, scissors, replacement blades, tape, and an instruction manual. The extra blades ensure you're always ready, even with wear. Give the gift of a perfect cue tip experience. Keeping your billiard cue tips in top condition enhances your hitting experience, making this the ideal present. What we like. This comprehensive tool boasts 10 different functions for cue tip replacement and shaping, making it incredibly versatile. If you're someone who likes to be fully prepared for any cue tip issue and wants a durable, long-lasting solution, this is the choice for you. It's especially great for those who frequently replace their own cue tips or enjoy the satisfaction of a perfectly shaped tip. What people say. The grip is comfortable and provides a good feel for the cue. It's easy to install and stays in place during play. The textured surface offers excellent control and prevents slipping. Number 3. Tbest 12.6 Aluminium Alloy Telescopic Cue Extension. Crafted from high-grade aluminum alloy, this extension offers a perfect blend of strength and lightweight. Its durable metal build is designed for regular use, ensuring long-lasting value. Experience a superior, non-slip grip thanks to its finely textured frosted surface. This design prevents slipping, offering maximum control and comfort for precise shots. Enjoy easy setup with its simple slide-on mechanism. Just slide the extension onto the end of your cue for an instant, secure connection, adapting to different distances in seconds. This extender securely attaches to your cue, providing the additional reach needed for hitting the ball. It features a tight-fitting mouth that grips your cue solidly. Designed for versatility, this 12.6-inch extension offers broad compatibility. It fits the butt of most standard pool cue brands, seamlessly integrating with your equipment. What we like. This extension is crafted from durable yet lightweight aluminum alloy, offering a comfortable, non-slip grip for enhanced control. If you often find yourself needing just a little extra reach to sink those tricky shots, this is the perfect solution. Its simple slide-on design means you can adapt to different distances in seconds, making it ideal for players who value convenience and precision. What people say. The grip is comfortable and provides a good feel for the cue. It's easy to install and stays put during play. The texture offers excellent control and prevents slipping. Number 2. 4-pack 58 2-piece pool cue sticks. Get a complete set of 4 pool cues, each in a distinct color and with graduated weights from 18 to 21 ounces. They even come with chalk so you can start playing right away. These 58-inch cues are built for performance, featuring maple wood shafts and durable leather tips. Their 2-piece design makes them easy to transport for any game. Enjoy a comfortable and secure grip with the imitation leather wrap. It's scratch-resistant, easy to clean, and helps absorb shock for a better playing experience. Each cue boasts a stylish, hand-painted finish that's sealed for durability. They resist warping and maintain their beauty, making them a standout choice. Perfect for players of all levels, these cues are great for practice or fun. They are suitable for various settings, from home games to billiard rooms. What we like. This set provides 4 distinct pool cues with graduated weights, offering a versatile option for multiple players or varied preferences. If you're setting up a home game room, looking for options for league play, or need a gift for a group of friends, this pack is ideal. The comfortable imitation leather grip ensures a solid feel for players of all levels. What people say. The grip is comfortable and provides a good feel for the cue. It's easy to install and stays put during play. The texture offers excellent control and prevents slipping. Number 1. CUEBAR 4-pack billiard pool cues. Get ready for game night with this complete set of 4 billiard cues. They come in a variety of weights and colors, and even include chalk so you can start playing right away. It's the perfect addition to your home game room. Each of these 58-inch cues is crafted from quality maple wood for a smooth feel. The 2-piece design makes them easy to transport, so you can take your game anywhere, from home to the bar. Experience superior control with our unique 3D corrugated grip. It offers a non-slip surface that absorbs shock and reduces vibration, ensuring comfort during long play sessions. These cues aren't just functional, they're beautiful too. Each one features hand-painted trendy colors with a durable finish that resists warping and keeps them looking great for years. Perfect for players of all levels, these cues are great for both beginners and experienced players. Enjoy fun and practice whether you're playing 8-ball or 9-ball at home, in a bar, or a billiard room. What we like. This set of 4 cues stands out with its unique 3D corrugated grip technology, providing superior tactile feedback and non-slip control. If you're looking for a cue that offers exceptional handling and comfort during extended play, this is the set for you. It's perfect for players who appreciate advanced grip features and a stylish, durable design for both practice and friendly competition. What people say. The grip is comfortable and provides a good feel for the cue. It's easy to install and stays put during play. The texture offers excellent control and prevents slipping. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.